The $1.9 trillion crop farming economy is at a crossroads. The increasingly urgent need to tackle climate change and protect biodiversity comes at a time when agriculture demand continues to grow in the face of a rising population predicted to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050.
Analysis by UBS Global Research suggests by then there could be an 8% shortfall in crop production if yield growth rates do not improve versus recent history.
In fact, if farm production yield growth trends stay at current levels, an area the size of the UK, France, Belgium, and the Netherlands would have to be developed to meet future demand.
The potential change in how much food the world needs and how we produce crops to fulfill that will impact consumers, inflation, and the environment. UBS analysts have identified a $1 trillion market opportunity in supply-side improvements in farm production and a $300 billion opportunity in demand-side solutions, in supply chains, retail, and consumer habits.
So what exactly are some of those markets? We believe the vertical farming sector will grow. Vertical farms allow farmers to better control the climate, minimize pesticide use, and maximize crop density. While high energy usage is a sizable hurdle today, as the sector matures, operating costs may decrease. Vertical farms also have smaller land footprints and can be built on brownfield sites, reducing deforestation.
The adoption of genetically modified corn in the US and Brazil drove dramatic yield gains in the early noughties. Further developments in seed science, both in GM and newer gene editing, is expected to continue to produce higher yielding and hardier crops, and a market which could grow 3.5 times by 2050.
Whilst developments in seed science may reduce reliance on fertilizers, it still accounts for around 40% of plantation companies' costs in Asia. UBS research indicates the push for increasing yields will continue to drive growth in fertilizer markets in developing countries.
Demand-side opportunities lie in areas including waste-based biofuels and alternatives to meat protein sources. Roughly 1/3 of the food we produce is wasted. Reducing wastage on farms, in supply chains, shops, and our homes will reduce crop demand.
Whatever the future holds, we believe the global crop farming economy will more than triple by 2050, and the growth in crop yields presents investment opportunities in both supply and demand-related industries.